Hello students, in this chapter, the revolt of 1857, today we will do a case study. And the case study is about the Piker Uprising or the Piker Rebellion. The Piker Uprising or the Piker Bidroho of 1817 was one of the earliest anti-British agitations in India. The Pikers formed the army of the powerful Gajapati rulers of Khordha, Orissa. They rendered military service to the king during war and practiced farming and maintained law and order during peacetime. When the British conquered Odisha in 1803, the Gajapati rulers put up a strong resistance. However, the British brutally crushed any form of opposition. Resentment against the British rule continued to simmer. Finally, in 1817, the Pikers rose in rebellion against the British under the leadership of Bakshi Jagabandhu, the commander-in-chief of the army of the king of Krodha. Soon, the rebellion spread and people from various districts took an active part in it. The Pikers attacked British symbols of power, burned down police stations and government offices. The rebels got support from the Rajas of neighboring districts and landlords. The peasants, who were reeling under the excessively high rates of revenue demanded from the British, also joined the revolt. The rebels captured Puri and declared Mukunand Dev to the son of the last Gajapati king as their ruler. It took the British 3 months to defeat the rebels and crush the movement once and for all. However, a few rebels continued to fight an underground war till 1890. Bakshi Jagabandhu was arrested in 1825. So students, this was the case study of the Piker Uprising who revolted against the British rule. Thank you students.